Hey everyone, welcome back in for Simple How To's by J&A. Today we're going to be going over how to take care of your Blackstone griddle. So my griddle I always like to have a cover on it so that when it rains it doesn't have any issues. So we're going to take that off and let's get started how to take care of it. Alright, so I got the cover off and I'm going to open it up. And one thing I always do is I always turn the gas off and back on. And for a Blackstone, I've noticed you have to turn it on really slow. If you don't, you won't be able to get the correct flame. It's almost like if you do it too fast, it will decrease the amount of propane that you get to the burners, so you're not able to get a very good size flame. So you want to do it real slow, all the way, till it stops. Then you're going to go and you're going to set your burner temp. I like to do the left one, and then I have a little thing over here. I just push it in, hear it click a couple times, and as you can see in the video, it is lit up. And then you do the same thing for this side, click it a couple times, and it comes right up. And I like to do this and preheat it, and I already have oil on mine from the last time I cooked, so I'll go over how to do that too later on in the video. And now we just got to let it preheat for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready to put our food on. And I went ahead and put them on high because I'm going to be cooking on high, but if not, you can put them wherever you want. And our grill's been preheating for about 5 to 10 minutes now, and the smoke is from the avocado oil from when I last used it, so that means it's about ready to cook on. And I'm going to jump to the next part where right after we finish cooking and how to clean it up and get it ready for next time. Alright, and I just finished cooking some chicken. I'll put that as the video at the end to watch if you're interested in that. But let's get started on how to clean. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take our scraper, and we're just going to want to get everything off that we can. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the burners off too. Alright, and while the grill is still hot, we're going to take some water and we're going to spray some water on to get everything else that we couldn't get scraping. And it is okay to put water on your griddle as long as you put oil on it before you close it up for the evening. If you're not doing that, I wouldn't put water on it. Alright, I'm going to go eat my food, and then we're going to come back later when it's cooled off after we're finished eating, and we'll go over what to do next. Alright, so now that it is cooled off, we're going to take some paper towels, and we're just going to wipe everything away. Make sure we get all the grime, everything off, all the liquid off. I want it to be dry. Now we're going to take a different wad of paper towel to put some oil back on. And you can use canola oil, vegetable oil. I like avocado oil. So I'm just going to put a generous amount. And then I'm just going to wipe it around. Make sure to get it everywhere. And you want to get it on the sides here too, if possible. And we're done with that. Now we can close the lid. And we're going to turn the gas off too. And then we're going to put the cover back on and we are done. And that's how you take care of your Blackstone. This will make it last as long as possible. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a great day.